Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of that constant stream of plastic ending up in your trash every time you make a cup of coffee? Well, get ready to ditch those disposable pods because today we're talking about the Kedmat reusable K-Cups for your coffee maker. Seriously, these things are a game changer for anyone who loves their morning brew but hates the waste. First off, let's talk about what makes these Kedmat cups stand out. They are not flimsy little things. They are made with this premium stainless steel micromesh and BPA-free material, so they feel solid and substantial in your hand, not like they're going to warp the second hot water hits them. You can actually feel the quality there. And when you press them into your machine, there's a satisfying little click, no wiggling or doubt. Plus, they promise to keep that delicious, original coffee flavor intact, which is, you know, kind of the whole point of coffee. Now, the benefits are pretty sweet. For starters, switching to these reusable filter cups is like giving your wallet a high five. Think about how much you'll save over time, those single-use pods add up. And it's not just about the money, it's about feeling good knowing you're drastically reducing your plastic footprint. Plus, the coffee itself? It just tastes better. You get to control the grounds, so you can brew a cup that's perfectly tailored to your taste, whether you like it bold and strong or light and mellow. I've noticed a definite improvement in the richness of the brew. They are super easy to use too. Just scoop in your favorite coffee grounds, pop it in, brew, and when you're done, dump the grounds and give it a quick rinse. They are even dishwasher safe, which is a lifesaver on those mornings when you just can't be bothered. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.